Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uchaze inkosi yesizwe sabaloyi uPhilia Lwandlamuni Nwamitwa wesibili njengomholi obeyinsika entuthukweni yabantu besifazane basezindaweni zasemakhaya. Umengameli ubethula inkulumo emngcwabeni wenkosi uNwamitwa eBaloyi Batsonga Cultural Village ngaphandle kwaseZanini eLimpopo namhlanje.
Inkosi uNwamitwa wesibili yathatha isihlalo sobukhosi ngoNcwaba wonyaka ka-2008 yaba inkosi yokuqala yesifazane esizweni samaTsonga. Umengameli wezwe uthi isizwe sabaloyi ikakhulukazi abesifazane bagqibeke ngeqwantwala ngokukhothama kwenkosi uNwamitwa wesibili. Inkosi ibineqhaza elikhulu entuthukweni yeindawo zasemakhaya eLimpopo.
In 2008, when she was officially installed as the first female Hosi of the Batsonga, history was made. When the Constitutional Court ruled that the Baloyi Traditional Authority was entitled to adopt its customary succession rule to allow a woman to become Hosi, it was a great advance for all traditional communities in our country and on the continent.
Inkosi ibambe elikhulu iqhaza ekubuyiseni isithunzi sabaholi bendabuko besifazane.
The symbolism of her installation is most enduring. It signaled that tradition cannot be invoked to entrench the oppression of women and gender discrimination. She had to fight to claim her birthright and her rights as a woman. In doing so, she ensured that all future royal daughters do not suffer the same fate. She demonstrated to this community that South Africa and to Africa and indeed to the world, the right and the ability of women to be traditional leaders should be sacrosanct.
Inkosi uNwamitwa wesibili ikhothame esibhedlela saseGoli mhla ziyisishagalolunye kwephezulu isineminyaka engama-98. Umngcwabo wenkosi uNwamitwa wesibili ubuhanjelwe amakhosi, osombusazwe nezikhulu zikahulumeni obekukhona kuzo iphini likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile noNdunankulu waseLimpopo uDokotela uPhophi Ramathuba. Inkosi uNwamitwa wesibili ihlonishwe ngomngcwabo wombuso osezingeni lesibili uCategory 2.